Today I'm going to show everyone how to repair and sharpen a ceramic knife using the Work Sharp system. I've already got it set out. I've got the clamp in here. I'm going to show everybody. We're going to put it at a 20-degree angle. The gauge is a little bit off, so we're going to use my electronic angle finder. We're going to put this in here. They're all magnetic. You're going to like them. As you can see, this is right at 20 degrees. Lay that to the side. Got your sharpening rod. Just start like this. Just do it slow, even strokes. You're going to do this till you get a burr on it. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how you tell where the burr is. There's several ways to sharpen a ceramic, but this is an easy way for everyone. And this system's almost foolproof. You let the weight of the stones do the work. You don't have to put any pressure on it. Starting to get a burr here, I can feel it. I like to use these little cloths because they will catch it. If you don't get the burr, you'll never get it sharp. This is an ideal system for someone that's new to sharpening or someone that's been sharpening a long time to save them some time. Using stones take a lot more time to learn and get used to, where this is something you can learn in about 30 minutes how to use and get a decent edge. Just a little bit more to get it the way I want. Put a little extra work since this tip is broken. See what we got here now. Just a tad more, we'll have what I want on this one, and then we'll flip it over. Just a few more strokes on this. That's what I want. There's a little button back here in the back, you can spin it like this. For me, I just soon turn it out, pull it out like this and go this way. It works fine for me. Now you come to this side. You're knocking off the burr that you created on the first side. We're going to get it back on this side now. As you can see, all the black, that's metal coming off the blade. This is a Fox brand karambit, made in Italy. This is a really nice knife. Almost. Okay, now we've got that side. We're going to turn it back over and we're going to go up to the 400 grit. 320, excuse me, we're going to go to the 320 next. And it will go much faster now that we've set the first profile. Already got a burr on that side. You can see all the black. Now we're ready to go to the 400. Now we're going to take it up to the 600 grit, and this is for Shane that works at Athens Gun Club, and he's kind of rough on them, so I think we're just going to stop at the 600 because he doesn't really need it any finer. Make sure, yeah, there we go. And you can tell it's quieter, so you can tell it is a finer grit stone. And these are diamond stones, which they are perfect for the hardness of the blade of this. There's several ways to sharpen these, but for me, using this system with the smaller stones in the guided system, it just makes it simpler. I believe that has got that on that one. So we're just gonna move it up and touch it, knock all the burrs off with the ceramic. And then I've got a lever strop that came with this system we're gonna use. Normally I use the block strops, but for this we're gonna use the one that came with the system. And these come with compound on them from the factory. And on the strop, always go away from the blade edge. Do not go into it. You will cut the strop and you won't get anywhere. And now we're going to take a break for a second and come back with a wide view, and I will show you how sharp it is and a couple other little details you can use. Now, as you can see, this will cut. Doesn't take a whole lot of time if you have the right tools. Like I say, I can teach anyone in about 30 minutes with this system. After you get it that sharp, if you want to keep it sharp, you can get the Lansky D-Sharp. It is goes up to 600 grit and it's diamond stones. And then you can finish it up with the ceramic. Great little handy items. You can keep them in your pocket, put them in your toolbox, wherever you need to put them. But that will get it sharp, and this will hurt you. Be careful, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. We've got a machete coming up soon. Thank you.